Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're talking about how to properly clean and sanitize your personal protective equipment. This is our model IDC SE. That's Infectious Disease Control Snap System Elastic. This is the elastic attachment at the back that goes around your head. This is designed for easy cleaning and sanitizing, as I'm going to demonstrate. First, you have to assemble your materials. Dish detergent, 91% isopropyl alcohol, 2 cotton rags, one for washing, one for patting dry, and for applying the alcohol. To make it easier to sanitize this product, we've designed it to be easily disassembled. Pull the shield off from the snap fastener on both ends and remove the headband in the same manner. All these parts are symmetrical, so you can't put it back together incorrectly. All these parts are designed to be washed and sanitized. Under running water, rinse the face shield. Both sides. Now place a small amount of dish detergent onto your damp cotton rag. Clean the shield, including all of the edges, both sides. Now rinse. Pat dry. And I'm not scrubbing it, I'm just lightly patting it dry. That's because if there's some abrasive particles, I don't want to scratch the shield. Place this to the side. And repeat with these other components. Rinse. Wash them with the detergent on the rag. Everything is designed for 100 washings, no issues. Rinse. And now pat dry. Now we're ready to sanitize. So for sanitizing, we're going to use 91% isopropyl alcohol, also called rubbing alcohol. Place the isopropyl alcohol on your rag. This is a flammable material, so no open flame. Wipe the products, but don't dry them. We're going to let the isopropyl alcohol have a longer contact time with the materials, and this creates the sanitizing. Again, we're going to just leave the alcohol in contact and let it dry. Once this dries, which should take about 5 minutes, we will then take and reassemble. On this, I'll show you how to put this model back together. Snap the headband over the 2 snap fasteners. No tools required. And now snap the face shield. There's no difference between the inside and the outside of the face shield. You can hear it snap into place. Let it sit and final dry. It's ready to go. By doing this, we're extending the life of the PPE. You're sanitizing the product between uses, and we have actually a very economical cycle here of that you don't have to replace your PPE. By doing this, you can reuse it over and over again, thereby improving the final cost of the product. Thank you.